Welcome back again, folks. So this is the filter. It's been cleaned. As you can see, as long as it's fairly clean like this, I'd say your filter is good to go for a good wash, or for a wash on the machine. It's good to go. This is all the stuff I found. This was in the machine. This was in the machine. This was all in the filter. So I've just given it a wipe. Well, you can give it a wipe, light wipe, if you want. I've given this inside a wipe. So I've dipped my finger right inside in the hole here. As you put your finger, there's a hole to your left, and I've dipped my finger right inside, and I found this inside. There was nothing else found, thank God. But this is, as you can see, it looks pretty clean to me. I'm happy with it, and I think now I'll get back to putting all the stuff back, and hopefully I want to take out all of this stuff and just do a rinse, possibly normal rinsing, clean, and hopefully my machine should be working with no more issues. So right, this filter, I think we'll start with this filter. This goes in here. So as you put it in, you'll see this filter, there's a gap, two gaps, bit tricky, but I normally aim for the two gaps. You'll see the two gaps that are edged out, or there's a two blocks of gap which fit these two, this bit and this bit, that go in and they fit into the machine. So yeah, and you'll see the gaps right here is one gap, and here's another gap, top bottom and say top maybe, and I would wedge the filter like so that, let's say that, like that, say, and just move it side to side and just push it in side to side, push it in slightly, and there you go, it's gone in. Just put it in and then twist it clockwise. Just twist it clockwise until you can't feel any more movement, until it's tight as possible. Once you can't move it anymore, you know it's tight. Right, that bit's done. The cover now. So as I explained in part 1, I think, put this cover goes in these two gaps, this gap and this gap. Start with one bit, push it in, just push it, not push it in, just let it slide in. The other bit, you just let it, just push it in, and it clicks in, and that's it, that's done. And then you can close your filter, and that's the job done. So now I believe it's part 5 now. Next we'll try the machine, and hopefully it will be up and running, no issues. Thank you very much. Stay tuned.